Looked over a rock, got a little damselfly larva. Hopefully it's good. Little LG. Guess life's good. Life is good. A little bit of litter on the edge of the creek. Let's search around it for a snake. Come back with an update. Let's see. Update. No snakes. Rusty can though. By someone's house. Right on the water's edge, a little bit of honeysuckles. Ain't nobody like that. Let's keep going. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Absolutely nothing. Wow. Anything in there? Solve this little cave. Try to look inside. Finna get this big one.
No, we're not.
All right. Got her up out of the water. Anything? Nope. Last one of the day too.